Oh my God, you're so exciting. You use the same video on your ads, on your website, on your Facebook, on your Can you change it up? What's up, everybody? It's Eric Wenning here with the Wenning Method, giving a couple different tips for you today on a part 2 from last week. And the first thing we're going to talk about is changing up your content, keeping it fresh. Say you had this amazing video that you're really proud of, and you're using it in all the advertisements that you're currently running. Do not use that same video on your home page, and then your landing page, and then your other pages. That's your ad, right? That's your advertisement of your unique offer. Sometimes you want to change it up. You want to have a new video, a different video that is on your main home page. Then if you have a services page about, from photo booth, disc jockeys, whatever else, you have a different video. You have to change it up to keep it enticing, because if you just have one video, then people are just going to be looking at you like you don't know what the hell you're doing and you paid all this money for one great video and that's it. The 3 things that you want to do with these videos is become discoverable, so people are understanding your brand and what you do. Then you want to be able to educate them, right? So you want to build a community within that, so you can educate them and tell them like the real aspects of your services, and all the misleading questions that the Wedding Wire and Wedding Pro are telling you to ask as far as like brides go, so to say. We know as wedding professionals that there are much more detailed questions that we need to know. So if you build a community around these different videos and what you're creating, you can help better educate these people rather than getting the same questions of like, hey, how much for 5 hours of service? Do you guys have gear that is loud? Yeah, stuff like that, right? So it's best not to miss these, and then you go into the final step. The third step is generating sales, because once you have built awareness with people and you start building a community, then you can take those people and make them into sales. So it's a process, but it's also, if you're running the same ad on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, keep that ad in where it lives, in the actual ads advertisement, right? Then don't use the same ad on your, your home page and your services page. Change it up, right? And the last tip is holding your content hostage, meaning where are you posting your content, okay? Don't just post it on one media, just like Facebook, right? So if you're just posting on your Facebook business page and that's it, you need to expand on that. Post on your Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, your Google page. So if you have new photos of your business as well too, then you post it on your Google business. ABC, always be creating content and then posting on all the different platforms that are out there, right? Because there are so many nowadays, and even IGTV. So even still within IGTV, you can post longer than 1 minute segments, but it'll still show up on your Instagram feed on your page. So then therefore people can watch longer content videos when they're on your Instagram page, not just like a minute less nowadays. So without spreading yourself too thin, you want to be able to get this content on all platforms out there to build better brand awareness. So hopefully that helps. I will see you in Vegas in just a couple of weeks, and if you have any questions of what we can do to help you, reach out to us. I'll talk to you soon. See you.